All right, Dr. Laura here for our Whiteboard Wisdom Wednesdays. So as we're coming into a very busy season with Christmas, I thought I would do my whiteboard, and this is in my office where people come before their adjustment or after, and very often they're reading this board. So today we're talking about the busy season is it upon us. How can I make me a priority? So we know you have to do something different to get a different outcome. So a suggestion is to be very present this time of year. Stress will come, but how can we arm ourselves? How can we prepare ourselves to be resilient to the treadmill of life that's going to happen in the next, 3 weeks? So what can we do? We can create more downtime. We can breathe, we can have a structure to our time and stay within that. Sleep more, buy less, create boundaries, say no, meditate, yoga, self-care. And here's a plus, booster adjustments. This time of year, we see it, people say, you know what, I'm just so busy, I'll see you in January. Not only is this the opposite way of thinking, this is the time of year where we need that booster adjustment. Because why? Because every adjustment reminds the nervous system to calm down and handle life with ease. So as our stress goes up, our tank and resiliency is going down. This is the absolute worst time to say, I'll see you in January. We want to build our system up. So we always say booster adjustment, extra care, not less, to prepare, boost that system up. So that's our whiteboard wisdom for today. I hope you enjoyed it.